Josh. I'm Ariana Williamson. I'm the Director of Employer Engagement at Wilkes Community College. And I'm excited to interview you today because I wanted to hear, I know you're an award-winning student. You've just recently finished your welding program. You're working towards business administration. So we want to know more about you. Like, where did you grow up?
I grew up in Mount Airy. I've lived in California for the past 6 or 7 years. Back in 2007, I joined the Army. I was stationed in Korea for 2 years. Then I was stationed at Fort Hood. After that, once I got to Fort Hood, I had an incident where I accidentally cut off my thumb on the tank, on the ammo door on my tank. I went to the hospital, got surgery. They started prescribing me medication that I got addicted to. Following my ETS, I got an honorable discharge. And once I discharged, though, at the end of 2010, I continued taking the prescription medication. Kind of brought me into a different kind of lifestyle where I wasn't doing really great things. Ended up putting me in jail a few times. Got a little bit of a record. I moved out to California, continued to do bad out there. Then I realized finally that I needed a new start. Moved back down here to North Carolina, moved to Glade Valley. Got some help from my grandma to clean myself up. And then realized I needed to further better myself. So when I found out the Alleghany Center was here for Wilkes Community College, I decided to sign up and take some classes to get a couple degrees there.
And did you ever think that you would continue your education?
I planned on just getting a diploma for welding. In order to use my GI Bill, I needed more credit, so I decided to go for the business administration degree.
And what are your plans after graduation then to use both of those degrees?
Eventually, I do want to open up my own welding shop in Glade Valley. I want to get a little bit more experience under my belt first, so I'll probably do that in the next couple of years.
What's your favorite part of welding?
My favorite part of welding would probably be fabrication. Fun to be able to work with things and build things with my own hands and just know that I accomplished it after it was completed.
Do you think that you would have found this passion if you hadn't found the welding program here at Wilkes Community College?
No, not at all. If it wasn't for Mark and the rest of the community, the most meaningful thing here has been the faculty. I've known that at any point in time, I can go up to any of the faculty members here, any of the teachers, and they'd just be more than happy to help with anything I needed.
What advice would you give to somebody who finds themselves in the same position as you were before you came to Wilkes Community College?
Just not to give up on yourself and dig down deep and find whatever strength you can to go for it.
Is there anyone in particular that you'd like to honor or celebrate that helped you get where you are today?
Oh, honestly, there's so many. There's Miss Page, Sabrina, Mark Day, Elizabeth, Merritt Burke. I always hated English class. She had to have been the best English teacher I ever had by far.
Thank you so much for being here today. Good luck with your future, and we can't wait to see what you do next.